You see what you put in your hair? Did you wash your hair with sand? Yeah, that's more sand. Thank you. You need a pile of sand on Mommy?
Exfoliating.
I was thinking that. That's nice. Yeah. Thank you. Nah, you can't have my big camera. Don't at me.
I'm not going to give you Mommy's camera either.
Oh, but I would butter you up, Daddy. Let's see how much sand you got back there. That's funny. Oh, boy. Oh, gracious. Dad says Mom has to wash your hair tonight.
That's because it was Mommy's idea.